Good morning friends, my name is Swami Vishal and I am a teacher of science subject. Basically I teach physics and chemistry subject to the students. So today we are going to start basic concepts of chemistry. First one, we have to know the chemistry means what. That means we are going to define firstly chemistry. So chemistry it is the branch of science in which deals with the scientific study of structure or composition of matter. Chemistry, it is the branch of science in which deals with the scientific study of structure or composition of matter. Example: structure of atom. Second one, study of matter, etc. Next one, we are going to study another basic definition which are important for study the chemistry. Atom. Atom is the smallest particle of matter. That means matter has the smallest particle called as atom. But basically we are going to study the matter. So first one, we are define the matter and then we can discuss the atom and molecule again. So first one example of atom is hydrogen. Hydrogen is an element in which all the atoms are uniformly compact. Next most important definition is matter. We have to study the matter because the entire world is made up of matter. Matter is the substance which has definite mass and which occupies space. Matter is the substance which has definite mass and which occupies space. Example: anything which can occupy the space is also called as matter. Just for example, I am writing with this pen. So pen is also a matter because pen has definite mass and pen which also occupies space. Another example can be called as table. It is also an example of matter because table also has a definite mass and which also occupies some space. Next one. Molecule. Molecule is the combinations of two different atoms or similar atoms. Just for when two or more than two atoms combined in the fixed proportion the formed substance called as molecule. Example, HCl. We also called as hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride. Hydrochloric acid is made up of two different atoms such as hydrogen plus chlorine. Hydrogen having positive charge, chlorine having negative charge. Similarly, we can take another examples of H2O. Already all the substances are known by everyone such as H2O. H2O is called as water. H2O is made up of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So oxygen is having di-negative charge and hydrogen is having mono-positive charge, that is uni-positive charge. These are what some basic informations about the study of chemistry. Okay. Remaining definitions or concepts we will study in the next class. Thank you so much.